Hello. Today I'm going to show you how to reach the maintenance level of your wipers on your Audi A3 or A3 car. We are sitting inside the car and the car is on. The ignition is on. You do not have to start your engine. That's not necessary. And then you like to replace the wipers, the wiper blades. And it is so difficult and dangerous to do this in a standard way. So the Audi has a special maintenance setting. It's really easy to reach. This is the wipers lever on the right side, and if we switch off the ignition to the off position, and after this we are now entering into the maintenance area. The thing is, you have only be touched one time down, so push it down your multifunction lever on the right side after you switched off the ignition, and then the wipers arms are going into maintenance position, and then it's really easy to replace them. To get back in position, switch on your car again and use your wipers again. So again, we are going to switch off the ignition. After this, we are getting into the maintenance position while we are using the wiper lever on the right side by pushing it down. Only once. Job's done. Now you're ready to replace them. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.